This is what it looks like when a sawmill crashes to the ground. Good thing my foot wasn't under there. How does this happen, you're wondering? Well, it's simple. This heavy-ass sliding head and engine was all the way down here doing some bzz, bzz with the hydraulics. I guess this pin, I don't know if it had the springs in there or not, but this pin was in there and that holds the weight, and it came right out of there and went boom, boom, just like that. And when it did, this went boom and hit the ground. And see, there's enough weight on there. It uses those standards there as a pivot point. It lifts the rest of it up off the ground. So if you wanted to check your wheel bearings, for instance, now's a good time, and they sound great. So anyway, now I gotta unload this unfinished lumber off of it. I don't think that the motor's gonna make that climb that hill. So I'm gonna have to push down on that end with the loader and reset the whole thing anyway. Truth be told, I needed to reset it anyway. Now it's headed way too far downhill, but when I had it set up, it was going this way too far. The head was racing back, and it needs to be level, and it wasn't level before. It was leaning this way slightly, which not the end of the world. But did you see that mouse? Did you just see that mouse run through? Anybody? Anyone? Bueller? Freaking mice. That's why we can't have nice things, literally. All the wiring for the trailer lighting on this goes through that central tube. And it's not protected, so mice get in there and chew it up, and you can't have lights on these things. I'm gonna have to put a piece of steel conduit down there or something. But anyway, that was a tangent. Anyway, you heard me. Push this end down, get things straightened up, reset this thing level. There goes a bird. There goes another bird. There goes a dragonfly. It's a freaking wildlife sanctuary out here. So that's what I'm about to get into. And if you like this kind of content, don't be afraid to like and subscribe. It would make my day. And as my old pappy used to say, in spite of all this, be of good cheer. And thank you for watching.